driving is not appreciated. So he had a lit up phone in his lap. Did you know that counts as handheld, resting in your lap?
As you know, you should put the camera.
Well, you can argue it with the magistrates.
I'm holding my phone, as you can see.
It's in your lap, that counts as handheld. And it's lit up, you've been using it, clearly.
It's on YouTube.
Carry on, mate.
As you can see.
Slow it down too while you're at it. Yeah, because you've been holding it and changing music and whatnot and using YouTube for your streaming music. Oh, slow it down, mate. Leave a bit more space to the driver in front of you. I mean, I could tell he was a bad driver just from that sort of revving and young lad style driving.